what just happened, guys. We got some new skins, guys, in both of these games. This roleplay city and what else? I forgot what was it called. Who is this? The soldier. Was it the soldier piggy? Was there any new skin that I don't know? What happened here? Oh, is that a soldier? Whatever. But guys, we got a new skin. Mysterious and thin. And I can see a fish guy. Is that fish floating? What happened? I don't know what is there, guys, but yeah, I'm gonna go to the city. Because I think the update will be in the city. Oh wait, I mean in the safe place. I think the update will be in the safe place, not actually the safe house, because that's the why are there soldier piggies? What's happening? What's happening, guys? The soldier piggies. I can hear them. Maybe they're not there. Is the soldier? Wait, what's that looting? Is that? A pond. Wait, I think is that? Please tell me, is this? Wait, is this? No. Wait, no. Yes, I got it, guys. But what is this? Is this some kind of potion? But I need to find out where's that soldier piggy sound coming? I'm confused. How did the soldier piggies came? There's no soldier piggy in this map. Or is it? Are there soldier piggies? Where are they coming from? Where's that sound coming from? Where's the... Hello? Soldier piggy? I need to take the bike. I want to sit in front of it. But yeah, guys, this is not gonna be just a simple video. We got another new update, which I actually found. Guys, I actually found one of the update. It's called as the Like Sister and Like Brother. I thought that was older, but they are actually new skins. And this Goat on the Run skin is there, guys. And actually, there's a hint. It's in the mates, I think, or could be in the minigame mates, but they didn't say anything about a minigame. So minigame hammer. Yeah, I think it's probably. Ooh. Yes, guys, here is it. Whole hammer mates. Thank you for 2 million visits. Cat says. Okay, but see, guys, there's the whole hammer. Let's get it. And also, guys, let's also find these 3 new skins. Yes, guys, we're gonna find these 3 new skins, which recently came. But the Goats on the Run badge. I think it's in the hints. Best navy on Roblox. The only real one. Okay. And guys, today let's also complete the obby. I feel like there's something. Maybe the new skin is in the obby. Yeah, maybe we can get the giraffe. What we say? Yeah, the giraffe. Giraffe. Anyways, is there anything? Oh. Yes, does the update Hami milestone? I just want to tell you one thing. I touched it. I touched it. I touched the skin. How it is? Why didn't it not give me anything? Is there something new here? Can we actually go inside this? Nope. Is there something new here? There's nothing in the maze actually. I cannot. Is there? Wait, what about here? Nope. I wonder how do we get to that? I think there should be. Wait, what about here? Goats under one. Goats under. Nope, that's pony's way. Goats under one. Maybe here. That's not. It's just a dead end. How to find it? Oh wait, I think this is how we get entered. So let me just turn around. Oh wait. I think, is this a new place? Because this is definitely a new place. Is there something here? I never went this way, but let me just. Okay, so if I just go here. Oh, this is actually open. Hey, look at this frosty. Oh. Anyways, yeah, let's actually do the obby first. And we already know that I have to jump under. Let's just get that goatee skin. But how are those guys somehow jumped up on the? I wanna learn how. Maybe I can get some skin. Oh, that's the match. Wait, I think that guy's new. I think he knows where is it. Where is that goatee skin? Wait, I think I went here. Yeah, I went here. Oh my gosh, this maze is super duper hard when I don't know where to go and get there. Escape. I think. Oh! I got the goats in the run skin, guys. Wait, I'll show you how to get it, guys. Wait, I just need to find the exit. Okay, so it's this. Okay, guys, I think I just found it. Yes, I did found it actually. So yeah, I basically just went here and then boom. So if I just go. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get it. Oh my gosh, they did really actually make the maze super duper hard enough for us to not get. Okay, yeah, guys. So yeah, so first, guys, means when you enter the maze. Oh my gosh, wait, this is the wrong place. Wait, I just reset. Guys, I think I know how to get it. So yeah, just follow me. I'll show you how to get it. Let's do that. So yeah, you go to this zigzag. And then wait, which way did wait? Is this way still connected? Yeah, now it's connected. It's still connected like that. So yeah, you follow me how I go. Then go here and then you just take this turn to get to the hammer. Now let's do that obby. Okay, now guys, I'm doing the obby. Quick. Maybe we'll get something. Is that a taunt? Guys, that's a taunting. Guys, but I think I saw one tawny thing. What could that be? Wait, is the video on? Oh, looks like I didn't pause it, but yeah, guys, I just got. Oh my gosh. Oh, looks like they got a coach in the run, but guys, I don't want to show you the skin. You should only find out how to get the skin because I want you to see how to get it. It's the link of the game will be in the description down below. Okay. Now let me do this slowly, slow and steady. Wins not all of the races. Actually, this is. I think. Oh wait, now did they change it? Now we should only walk on the white thing. Wait, let me see. Guys. So yeah, guys, if you do complete the obby, I just now found out that you will get that rhino skin. How did I not think about the rhino skin that time? It was like pointy horn. Why did I not think of a horn then? But yeah, guys. But yeah, there's actually one weird thing. Somehow I just got this, guys. I don't know how I got it. Somebody moved this model of this YT series. Maybe I actually got it somehow. Guys, I found out that if you just this is means if you climb that roof thing is there, no guys, roof means in the piggy house model there's a roof. It looks there's a roof. No, wait, let me just fix it. I'll show you. But yeah, if you just see. If you just touch this, you will get the skin, guys. Somehow some people are. So you got to get to the tippy top. And then jump. Oh! Is that pillow? Guys, I got child willow. This is it. This is great. Why did I tell this is it? This is it. It. I thought this is it. But yeah, I got the child willow. Now time to get pillow willow. Yes, guys, I got pillow willow. I got Mr. Pillow Willow. Oh. Pillow willow, oh. Pillow willow, oh. Pillow willow. I just made a new song here. Pillow willow, oh. Pillow willow. Oh. Wait. Yes, guys, let's see for new updates. Like what? Guys, I don't know why did I join. Wait. I think I just. Guys, I cannot remember. What was it? Why did I went there? Wait, let me just see. What is the premium salary? Wait, I think there could be some new. Is this a note? Oh, I got a 4 YT seal. Wow. Okay, yeah, guys, let's see some other games. Like, what else would be there here? Is that all? Oh yes, guys, I forgot to tell you. Before I was uploading the one video, I know how to get the Fall Piggy skin, guys. I actually did got it actually. Yeah, guys, I got the Fall Piggy. So let me click on run. You have to go. Oh my gosh, whoever did this is. I don't. It what? Oh my gosh. Please tell me I can change. Can I change? Ah. But wait. Oh wait. You got to be kidding me. You. It. Ah. It is there. Okay. I want the infected version. I don't want the infected version. Yes, if you just see this guy. But yeah, if you just go here. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. But yeah, guys, when you use the skin, you can go through this one, guys. Yeah. And when you do that, boom, you'll get the badge. Guys, you'll get the badge. I'll get the badge. I think that got to do something. Wait, is that the base plate? Ooh, what's this? Is this something to? This got to be something. This got to be do this. Is this thing used to do something with the? Is there something here? Nope. They got to be. But whatever, guys. I think I'm seeing. I think I wanted to do something else. Oh wait, did I actually got? Wait once. Let me go up. I think I showed everyone there. Nope, I didn't got that. But wait, did I actually show everyone? Did I? I did got some. That I didn't thought I will get. Maybe I should tell everyone, show everyone how to get the CT badge. I did show that to you. Yeah, I think I told what I know. Stuff Kitty, how to get that skin. How could I? Wait, what is this? Wow, guys, I know. Wow, that was easy. I don't know that was actually there, guys. What? I'm okay. Looks like I got a badge. Good. And how did I even got it? Wait. Oh! I understand the hint. Poor and sick. Where's the poor and sick people? In hospitals, guys. That's how we find a riddle. That's how we find a batch. Maybe I should tell everyone. Guys. Wait, is this? Did I actually get it? Did I actually got all the? Oh my god, did I? Did I got everything? Oh wait, I didn't got that. Not that. I need that interior rage. Notes missing. I know notes. It must be here, guys. I understand that. Notes means teachers will oftenly use that. Maybe the notes is missing his classwork book. Notes, or maybe it could be just what we can say. Maybe it could be just normally what. How to say this? Wow. Okay. Maybe it's just notes. Maybe there's something down there or some like something down there. There got to be something here, guys. There got to be something here. Maybe it's in the hospital because there are so many notes in the hospital. Wait, is that a note? I think I just saw some weird note there. Wait, is this it? No. Maybe no. I wonder where's the main interior. Did anything got updated? No. Maybe I can't understand. Hey, can you tell me how to get some skin? This skin. Yeah. He left. There got to be some secret note here. I thought that. Wait, what? Maybe there is something there, but where is that note? Where is that note? Come on. Oh, hello PJ, help. Why are you doing that? I need to find a maid's interior. Guys, is this? Oh, no. This got to be. No. This got to be it. Oh, it's not it. There was elsewhere. which we can work on. We just okay. How did I not even saw? How did I not saw it, guys? Glitzy Christmas. Hint snowed on a hat. And what? It's the angels? This is a... What we need Robux for wait, what we need Robux for badges? Weird. Guys, I think the glitchy Christmas thing is not there anymore because they did say that there'll be no Christmas. The holiday badge will be not there. But yeah guys, maybe it wait. Mighty silver play button. Some people already got it, I think, so maybe we can get it by where's that reverse universe? Maybe there's something secret around here to get something that like this. Yes guys, but where could I mighty silver play button be? Guys, I don't know where is that badge at. But yeah, with gallery. Why is this not clear? Yes guys, but I think that's all for today. So yeah guys, bye. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. And guys, in the next video we're gonna play the new game. We're not gonna play like this game, like not like this skin game. I don't want to do that. I want something means like, let's see. Oh yeah guys, and I also remember about this new game called as Accurate Piggy, and which happens to be that I subscribed to it. Yeah. But yeah guys, I hope you like this video. So yeah, I hope you like the video. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. So yeah, bye. And also subscribe.